somebody can control somebody for prison, what do you think he was doing when they was there? You know that's
Lord have mercy.
controlling when you got 6 bitches and 6 niggas sitting under you. You might think it's okay, but when
So
you got 6 niggas and six
don't
bitches, you have brainwashed
so
people.
so don't niggas go to
That's a crime.
so don't niggas
It's a crime to have a cult.
don't don't niggas go to
It's a
jail?
crime to have a cult. You can't have a cult.
So 21.
They were
Don't niggas go to
abusing
jail?
each other.
Don't niggas go to jail all the
They
time and
were
their women stay
abusing
down?
each other. You can't have a cult.
Don't they
We
women
seen Nature Boy on live tell
he
all
ain't
the
in
girls
jail for
to
that?
attack Zoka.
I don't know what you talking
We
about.
seen we seen on
I don't know
live
what you
all the
talking about.
girls attack
I don't know what you talking
Malia.
about. I don't know what you talking
All
about.
the girls attack Malia online.
I don't know what you talking about.
That's a call.
I
When
don't know.
somebody can call shots like that, that's a call.
So 21. You know motherfuckers in
It's
jail.
illegal.
So you know niggas be holding it down, women
I
being
don't care who did what. If your friend jumped off a bridge, are you
so
jumping? We learned
21.
that when we were a kid.
21.
It's illegal, Brandon, to
So
have a
look,
call.
when it come down to it, niggas go to jail all the time and they women be holding it down for them.
So if you suck dick, if your friend suck dick, Brandon, you gonna suck it?
Well, that is a dumbass
Cause that's
analogy.
what you're doing
That's
right
that's
now.
a dumbass analogy.
That's what you're doing
You
right
over here
now.
trying to make it up.
You sucking
You
his
making up
dick.
shit. No, I'm talking about some real.
You only want him to get out so your quota could go up.
Man, look,
Cause he under you. You only want him to use you. You only want to use him
21.
as a storyline. You
You
can't
know,
wait for him to get out.
we live in a democracy. 21. You gotta understand that
If it was real,
we
you
live in a
wouldn't even mention it.
we live in a
You
democracy.
wouldn't even mention
We live in a
it.
democracy. We live in a democracy.
You just want to use him as a
We,
storyline.
we
You
live in a
cannot
demo-
wait for your money to go up.
we live in a democracy right here in
You and
America.
Ebony. You and
Everybody
Ebony
is
gonna
entitled
interview
to
that nigga as
due.
soon as he get out.
Everybody's entitled to due
You gonna
process.
tell him not to interview.
We are entitled to
You gonna
due
tell him not to
process.
interview with nobody.
We are entitled to
You
due
gonna interview
process.
him first or Ebony.
Due process, y'all. Due process, y'all. We live in a system that's plagued.
It's checkers, not chess.
We live in a
It's checkers,
plagued
not
system.
chess.
So look, y'all. He not in jail for none of this shit you talking about. None of that shit. He not charged
But
with
he
none of that.
needs to be.
He not in charge of none of that shit.
But those are the reasons that he needs to be having the court,
Okay, so not,
controlling bitches, knocking their teeth out,
okay,
making them drink things so they can have abortions
21. Y'all be popping Plan Bs all the goddamn time.
on our own.
Y'all,
A nigga don't make me
he
though.
don't force him to do
A
nothing.
nigga can't make me.
He don't be forcing him
A
to do nothing.
nigga cannot threaten me
Mm-mm.
to make me.
Mm-mm.
Brandon, he makes them do things.
How you know?
He told us.
Mm-mm.
Brandon, he got a whole documentary on NBC.
Hell no. 21, you
A
cut.
2 hour long documentary on NBC.
Where is that?
And you said, how do I know?
I better get paid
Do
for
you
it.
look at the people that used to be in his court?
Where the hell is that? Where this documentary at? And why I ain't get paid for it?
Wow, Brandon, are you serious? Watch this. It's a 2 hour documentary on NBC.
I need my goddamn bread. Appreciate it. Lord boss, appreciate it. Come through.
Look this documentary up. The one they talking about in this video. He have a whole documentary out.
Oh,
Which
oh,
one
that's
is it, y'all?
that's before
Is
I
it
came to manager.
NBC?
Keep going, y'all. Keep going. Whoop her ass. That's before I came to
Exactly. And
manager.
everybody
Oh,
on there,
that's
before
before
he
I came to
became
manager.
anything, they was
Oh,
talking
that
bad on him.
was before
They
I
was
came manager.
already watching
Hey,
him.
hurry up, y'all. Whoop her ass. Whoop
The
her ass.
feds was already
Whoop her
watching
ass.
him
Keep
before he
going.
ran
Keep
it.
going. Keep going. Keep going. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. That's before I came around. Okay. Cool. Long as it ain't for
Already
2022.
touching on kids and shit.
So 2022 is what we
He
focus
was
on.
already touching on
I became his
kids.
manager in 2022.
Brandon Keys.
I became his manager in 2022. We talking about the future. We talking about networking and marketing and business. And we live in a system where we live in a democracy,
Brandon
a due
Keys question me
process.
this.
Everybody's entitled.
Do you know that the plane in Puerto Rico,
Everybody's
do
entitled
you
to
know
due
that the plane in
process.
Puerto Rico banned Nature Boy because they stank so bad? Where is that normal at? For you to stink so bad the plane bans you.
America, look. So when it come down to it, 21, people in America stink all day. I don't know about that situation, but older, you
It's
know what I'm
checkers,
saying?
not chess.
Some
It's
people
checkers.
like, some people
I got
like,
an answer for
there you go,
everything
that
because it's
bullshit.
checkers, not chess. It's always the answer
Oh,
because
Lord,
it's
you ain't let me
checkers, not chess.
the hell up. 21. True or false? A lot of you motherfuckers on here stink.
False.
Lying again. See, that's it.
You haven't met a lot of motherfuckers because you scared to meet up with your arch enemy, Pastor P.
Kiki, shut the fuck up. He's so sweet. Get your thought ass on. That long ass neck over there. Ugh.
You won't even see if he stank. How you know if anybody stank? You over there FaceTiming bitches and looking at their pussy. You won't even get the pussy in person.
They gotta get close to this energy. These levels to this. I ain't just no regular nigga. You know that. You know I ain't regular. You know I ain't regular.
Regular degular.
You know I ain't regular. You know I ain't
Not
regular.
Brandon Keys.
You know I ain't regular.
Big
You know
Lamborghini.
I'm.
Is that Lambo?
You know I ain't
Big
regular.
Brandon. Oh, you got a
Look,
cash app?
you know I ain't regular. You just
Big
saying.
Brandon, not the little one.
But we live in a democracy, y'all. Individuals are entitled to due process.
I'm about to
You know what
go
I'm
rent a
saying?
car right now and show y'all the fucking steering wheel.
That's all I'm saying. Start that shit on that fake ass page.
Big Brandon, not the regular one.
Big jewels. Not no fake ass silver medallion on my neck. Big Cubans. Big Cubans.
Okay, big chains, not the
Big
regular.
Cubans. Big Miami Cubans. Man.
I'm about to go get me something to eat, y'all. I'll be back in a little bit, alright?
Come to my live.
I gotta make some cash app.
Come to my live, stupid people.
It's 3:43. I'll be back in about 30 minutes.